Hi, my name is Dr.Amee Daxini. I'm a practicing dermatologist in Bangalore in my clinic called Think Skin Clinic. So retinol is the latest buzz in skincare. Every skincare brand now has retinol in their armamentarium. What is retinol? And should we actually always use it, or there are options? How do we use it, and what could be the potential side effects is very important to understand before you start using retinol on your face. The commonest question as a dermatologist I have been asked is, when should I start retinol? Now, there is no particular age to start retinol because we as dermatologists use retinol for acne in teenagers. So it isn't that you can't use it, but it's very important to understand why should I use a retinol if I have normal skin. Retinol it's a very strong product which can give you excellent results but can also give you very sensitive skin. So always when you plan to use your retinol, do consult an expert or a dermatologist. Do not get flayed away by what you see on social media or what people around tell you. Now, what does retinol do? The first important thing that retinol does is it accelerates the rate of skin cell turnover, and it helps in shedding of the dead skin faster. Now, if imagine the entire skin starts functioning as one organ and all the skin cells come up, shed, and fresh skin comes evenly across the skin. That's what retinol does, and that's why it gives you a perfect tone, a perfect color. It gives you the youthful look, as well as it makes the skin more supple and radiant. The next thing a retinol does as it starts penetrating deeper into the second layer of the skin is it starts producing collagen. It promotes collagen production. Now, when you start getting fresh collagen, the skin starts looking more supple, more elastic, and it also starts radiating, reducing the fine lines and wrinkles and keeping it more youthful. The third thing it does is, while doing all of this, it also improves the skin tone because you have your dead skin shedding faster, you have your more collagen production. So that reduces the dark spots, reduces the pigmentation, thereby improving the skin tone too. So retinol, if you listen to all of this, you will think, oh my God, it's the elixir of youthful skin. But no. You need to understand how to use retinol and what could be the potential side effects. Now, how do we use retinol? The one thing to remember is all vitamin A derivatives, be it retinol, retinaldehyde, are all photosensitizing. So should never be used in the presence of sunlight. Always retinol should be used at night. And to top that, you should use a sunscreen in the morning because the fresh skin that comes out if exposed to sunlight in the morning will get degraded much faster than the skin which is not treated with retinol. So a sunscreen is a must. So retinol and sunscreen is a pair. The minute you buy retinol, you have to buy a sunscreen. Use it religiously even if you're at home, twice a day minimum.